Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how I created this astounding flyer design using AI. I will show you exactly how I came up with the concept, the prompts I use, and how I brought everything together with Gemini AI. So if you ever wondered how to turn simple ideas into professional designs with the help of AI, stick around. This is going to be really exciting. So let's delve in. First thing to know, before you start designing with AI, before you write your prompt, you must know what you want to design. The title, the heading, what brand are you designing for, the logo, you have to know all these things. You have to determine your typography, where the placement should be, where will the header be, where would the footer be. You have to specify all this. Excuse me. You need to specify all these, and when you specify them, it's going to whatever you give your AI is what you get. So if you are not detailed, you are not specific about the prompt you are giving, you might lose it. So I'm going to put the prompt I wrote down. I'm going to put the prompt, and we're going to see what's going to come out of this design. This prompt, I'm going to share it in the description, so you could try it, tweak it, turn it around and play with it, and we'll see. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. Don't worry about it. Like I said earlier, is in the description, so just check it out. Try to come up with something else. So this is my prompt. Let's see what's going to give us. So one thing with Gemini AI, it's when you are giving it size. Let me talk about size. Ensure that you are using aspect ratio, because if you are not using aspect ratio, it's not going to give you. Whoa, check out this cool, beautiful design. I'm sure you love it. This is awesome. I got awesome. So try this and share in the comment section. If you have question, ask. I'm going to respond to it, and stick around. As we go through this, we're going to see more. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I want to see more AI generated design videos, don't forget to hit the subscription button and give this video a like, and also share with your friends. I would also love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below on what design you would like me to create next. See you in the next one. Thank you.